Hello students, today I am going to discuss some facts that is related with biotechnology. The standard amino acid, you know, that is coded by particular codon, and out of 20 standard amino acid, 10 are essential. So how can you remember the 10 essential amino acid? For this you have to remember one line: treat very ill MP at hospital. So you see in the this line the red letter that indicate the single letter symbol. So each letter indicate a particular single letter codon of different amino acid. In case of treat word, first T that code for tryptophan and the last T that code for threonine. So you have to remember treat that contain two T, one code for tryptophan and other code for threonine. Then the other word that is very. So in very V letter that is indicated in red, you have to remember valine. It is also essential amino acid. And then the next letter that is ill. Ill means not healthy, sick. So you remember ILL, ill. Each letter that is indicate and code a particular amino acid. So I encode the essential amino acid isoleucine, and L letter encode the amino acid that is leucine, and then L that is lysine. So there are three letter in the word ill, and each coding the different amino acid isoleucine, leucine, and lysine. So in the here it is the last letter, it must be also a lysine. There is repetition of leucine and leucine, but it should be a lysine. Next, that is member of parliament. You know, member of parliament, that is MP. So M in code for methionine and P in code for phenylalanine amino acid. So you have to remember MP, and then at a letter that is capital letter A, that is arginine, and in other word other letter that is capital H indicate the histidine. In the word hospital, capital H indicate the histidine. So you have to remember the line treat very ill MP at hospital. So here you can remember 10 essential amino acid. Out of 10 essential amino acid, 2 are semi essential. So you know arginine and histidine, that is semi essential amino acid. So in this way you have to remember essential amino acid, and rest other amino acid which you don't know, that will become in the category of non-essential amino acid. So you know amino acid that is synthesized in our body, and they no need to supply from outside, that is non-essential amino acid. And the amino acid which cannot synthesize in our body and that can be supplied through diet, that is come in the category of essential amino acid. So every time a question asks, can you tell me which of the following are essential amino acid out of 4 choice, or you have to write 2 name of essential amino acid or 4 name of essential amino acid. Such type of question is coming in your competitive exam or +2 exam or any other exams at any levels. Now next, you know what is restriction enzyme, what is recognition site. A enzyme that cut double stranded DNA and must cut the palindromic region, means that is recognition site. So you know palindromic, if we read from 5' phosphate to 3' OH in one strand, and in other strand again 5' phosphate to 3' OH, then if we are getting the same reading, example the GGA, then complementary of A is T and complementary of G is C, and complementary of again G is C. So again we write the complementary sequence of one strand, and if we read from 5' phosphate to 3' OH, the same reading we will get GGA